Let's make the Galaxy Lemonade. We are going to make this drink with a glass, and to make it, we're going to start by adding 1.5 ounces of water into our glass. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters, and I've got fancy square bottle. You don't have to use fancy square bottle. It just makes it easy to pour. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Next, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce of butterfly pea simple syrup. And I did make this myself. I came up with my recipe because Kraken Rum doesn't provide recipes for their syrups. Videos here on the channel, link will be down below and at the end of the video if you want to check it out. 3/4 of an ounce, save that, and 22.5 milliliters. Not and, or. And into this, we're going to add 1 dash of edible purple glitter. This isn't the best dashing top, but we'll just do what we can. That's a lot of glitter. It's going to be a glittery drink. Now I'm going to fill the glass with ice. And by fill, I mean one is going to get stuck partway to the bottom. Because next we've got to stir it. Now I can fill it with ice. Lemon juice. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to slow pour this on top, so see if we can get it to layer. Oh, I need to measure it. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Clean up my jigger, but I'm not going to. Oh. Didn't turn out too bad. Now, same thing, 2 ounces of Kraken black spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Slow pour, that is. Measure it. I'm going to flip for that. Should have flipped for the lemon juice, but oh well. Oh, yep, there you go. Lemonade kind of disappears in there, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And garnish. Lemon wheel. I've got big lemons. Don't judge me. It's not the size of the lemon that matters. And they don't say straw, but I'm going to sink a straw in there. And my lemon's going to fall out. See, too big. Too big. All right. And there you have it. A Galaxy Lemonade. Drink with good spirits. Stay.